Somebody dropped off a whole bunch of stuff here. It doesn't look like it's a bunch of garbage either. It actually looks like it's some pretty cool parts. What? Huh. The LMTV Fairy was here. Hey, you guys recognize something? Anything? Well, I put that up there on purpose because Sean is very meticulous, man. He spots details like nobody's business. He has gotten so many of my Easter eggs that I've hidden on my channel. And here I left out the C in welcome. And that is code for something. Can you guess what it's code for? Maybe something that starts with a C? What the heck? Wow. These are empty cases, but I think I need this case right there. And there's still more. Thank you, LMTV Fairy. All right, this is like one of the craziest cool things that's happened to me in a long time. I don't even know what all this stuff is. It's just, there's just a box, doesn't have anything on it. Oh, a couple of other boxes, my goodness. This is just one bag. Cookies. Nice. And there's lots of electronic parts in here. Here's some soundproofing. I wonder what the diameter of this could have been. Maybe a 50 cal hatch. One thing's for sure, there's no styrofoam in here. Wow. Wow. That's just bag number one. I think I know what this is because I see one end sticking out. What a... Whoa. Whoa. humongous and wired. I bet you that's heated and maneuverable. Right on. Wow. Wow. That is so cool. That's gnarly. That's just the 2 bags. But wait, there's more. An entire box of, it looks like off-road lights. Wow. Oh, there's also a bus bar in here. Looks like I might be an early model of testing for Sean Filner. Wow. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Two really nice Milwaukee cases. Now I gotta see what's in these boxes because I have no idea. They're just nondescript. I could definitely use a whole bunch of these. Booyah. And even, whoops, and even more. Waste not, want not. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. What? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. No way. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sean, thank you so much. This is freaking cool. Thank you, LMTV Fairy. You were very, very good to me. And the mission really appreciates it as well. Thank you so very much. All right, so now I have to figure out a project, what to do with the rest of this video. I don't have a whole lot of time left, so how about we change out this steering wheel? All right, in order to get the cap off, you take a screwdriver and you got to push it in this way to get actually underneath the cap. And then you can pry it out this way. There we go. I think that might be enough. Nope, not quite enough. There we go. All right, I believe it's a 32 millimeter socket. Stick that in there and see if it, wait a minute. What the heck? What the heck? That thing wasn't even tight. It wasn't even finger tight, hand tight, nothing. Oh my gosh. You're kidding me. That thing was held on by nothing more than gravity? That's crazy. Well, I mean, at least this thing has some grooves to hold this on. Well, that was a piece of cake. Man, I can't even believe that. What? Okay, come on. There it goes. There we go. The cap even fits. That was the easiest install I've ever had in my entire life. Thank you, Jesus. Woo! And man, I feel like I am styling now. This is so cool. So cool. Man, I think I'm about ready to get verklempt. You know, the comfort of this seat, this awesome steering wheel. I don't want to cry on my own channel, but this is really outstanding. I don't know if you can tell, I'm pretty excited. Wow. All right then, this is a perfect way to end this video. Man, I tell you what, this has been a really great day. You guys, thanks for joining me on this adventure. Thanks for Sean Filner for bringing all those cool things. This awesome steering wheel. Man, it was... I just feel so comfortable in this vehicle. This seat is fantastic. I got a great steering wheel. As one of my brothers was saying, you keep adding to that cab, and it'll be like driving a Cadillac. And so I asked him, "Oh, so do you have any Cadillac parts that I could use?" You guys, thanks again. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video if you liked it. Till next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there. And God bless. Awesome. What a wonderful day.